under them. How you doing? Doing all right?
Like this?
Yeah. You got it? I gotta have to let go.
No,
Okay.
I'm stuck.
Yeah, well, it's all right. I'll let you out once the bees are in. Can you bring it up more? So the closer it is to the bees, the better we're gonna be. Okay.
Is that good?
Yeah, that's great. That's great. Okay. Are you ready?
I
mean, like, are you sitting okay? I'll let you back out again, I promise.
Yeah.
You're sitting okay?
Yeah.
Like
sure.
you're comfortable? Okay. And you're holding the, you got the bucket okay?
Yep, I think so.
Okay.
There, good.
Right. Yep, push it forward a little bit more.
Oh, great.
Okay, you got it? I'm going to let go. The bees aren't heavy at all. They're going to weigh nothing. It's just that I'm going to shake this branch up and down, and it may whack you in the head a little bit, all right?
Okay.
All right, I'm going to try not to, but it's going to wind up whacking you in the head a little bit. There was one other thing I was going to get. Nah, that's all right. Get it after. All right, you ready?
Yep.
1, 2, 3. Ready?
Yep.
1, 2, 3. Okay. I'll take the big bucket of bees.
And look at how many bees on this.
You do have a bunch of bees on you, so we'll need you to come out too, Max. You can come on out. And that's it. Pretty cool, huh?
Yep. What about one still in there?
They'll crawl right up. There are actually so many bees in here right now that it's stuffed. Here, swing around this side, Max. That way Big Mama can see. Let's do it. That was a little splashier than I wanted, but and that is pretty much it. And this one's for Betsy. There we go. One more bee saved. Okay. Girls, scoot. No, you can't be in there. Be in there. Oh, there we go. And that is pretty much it. Thank you, Max.
Oh, okay.
And you'll notice most of the bees are off of you now.
Yep.
There's one other thing I gotta grab. Just lift it off. There you go. Put the other one on.
Oh.
Just put it on. Now put the other one back. On top of the whole shebang. That's it.
Is that good?
Nope. Does that look good to you? Does that look right?
No. Wait, the other way?
No, there is no other way. You just got to settle them on so that they fit. Does that look right?
I don't know.
Does it look right to you?
Kinda.
Okay, then it's right.
Oh.
All right. And the rest of the bees will find their way back over here. Believe it or not.
That was weird when you were shaking it because you could feel all the bees.
Right, but they're not heavy, right?
Hmm?
They were really light. There was no weight to them.
No, I meant weight on my arms.
Cool.